done. Hopefully in a few days I'll be able to know exactly what everything did. It looked like everything was yielding really well. They were really happy with how things went. I was pretty happy with how things went. Might even found a corn that I'm going to plant next year. But yeah, it turned out really well. It worked out really well timing wise. So really wanted to say thank you to Vermont for working with me and for all these years working with the Dival Farm. And I hope that I can continue to learn and grow with what they're doing and keep getting to try out more and more varieties. That to me is really exciting. As it is right now, the corn's looking really good. I think we're running somewhere around 230 to now. Yeah, we're running around 240, I guess. We're pretty solid, at least according to the yield monitor. We're running up there. I'm pretty excited about that. I'm really excited. This looks good. It's great. I don't know. I think 240 is probably generous. I don't know. Some it might still be off a little bit. I still think we might be over 250, but I really won't know until all the tickets come in. I'm just kind of guessing, but it's looking good. It's fun. It's great. It's still slow. Still slow. But good corn. Good corn to have, to pick. Again, very grateful for the way things have worked out, for how God has blessed me and my family over the years, especially this year. I'm really thankful. Really thankful for all that we got. So I'll keep you guys in touch. We're running hard. I got my grandpa out today. He's running one of the trucks today. He seems to be pretty excited about that. So we've almost, here in a little bit we'll be fully crewed. I think Robert's coming back from town here. He'll jump back in the grain cart, the little grain cart that is, and we'll see what we can knock off. Maybe we can finish this half by today. That means we'll only have one half to do tomorrow. We'll see. We're making progress, guys. It's just really slow. it's good. It's really good. I mean, the slower we go, that means the better the yield is doing. Well, not always. Sometimes we have to go slow because it all fell over, and that's bad. But this is we're going slow because it's yielding high. It's high moisture corn, but it's great. But that's really hard because I like to go fast. I'm the type of fella who likes to be bouncing a little bit and moving the whole time and jiggling around. It's just, you know, speed. We're getting stuff done. Cruising. But this is more like, okay, yeah, we're doing great, guys. I see the end. Probably another 5-10 minutes, I'll be to the end. Well, let's sing another song. You know, that type of thing. Well, I'm not going delusional or crazy or anything like that. I'm just, and what's bad is this is only the first day, full day. I love the combine. I really do. We are just going slow. We are missing out on the scenery today. At least we're by the highway, so I can at least wave at all the cars that go by when they go by. Let's see, how many cars you guys see? You're gonna be lucky, I think. There they come. Make sure you wave big. Oh, wave real big. Oh, did you guys wave? Did you guys wave? I didn't see you guys wave. Did you wave? I didn't see it. All right, I'll let you go again. Alright, well, we're going to shut down. It's been a good day. Pick it up tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get finished. We're talking rain coming in tomorrow night, all day the next day. We need the rain. If we don't get it finished, oh well. But it'd be nice to get it finished.
Truck going by.
Oh. Alright guys, well, we're making progress. New day. Already gotten a couple trucks picked. Almost another truck ready to go. Just kind of waiting on them to come back. But It's going good, still yielding pretty good. We'll maybe get it done today. I'm really hoping we do. But I guess if not, then we'll keep moseying along at it. Yeah, looks good. Combine full, grain cart's full. Now we're just waiting. I believe the truck is coming down the road. So yeah, cornfield looking good over there. I don't know, KJ, do you got anything to say?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you have to say?
We're going to common farms and it's looking good. And the corn is nice. And that's all I need to say.
That's all you need to say?
Uh-huh.
Okay, well, there you go, folks. Corn is good and corn is nice. I don't know what else we need to say. He summed it up for us. Made it. Jump on the go here. You about caught the spill, guys. Whew. That was close. We're good though. We're good. Oh hey, you can kind of see the sun over there. Oh, but Robert's not blocking it. It's actually a nice evening, but it got cold. I think we're supposed to get down to like 38 tonight. It's gonna be kind of chilly, guys. I left my sweater in the coat. Wait a second, that didn't make it. I left my sweater in the pickup. Yeah, sweater in the coat. Well, I guess that could be possible. Uh-oh. Robert's thinking I can pick fast. I'm only picking about 6 rows because somehow got off. Actually, I know how. I couldn't find the guest row and I was way out in the middle, so I just picked and went. So 6 rows off isn't bad. getting cold out there, guys. Quite cold. Gotta turn the heater up more. That just isn't enough. What do you think? 75, 77? Yeah, that sounds about right. Now I hope we don't fog up all the windows. Well, the other truck's here. It's back. Hoping our last truck we sent, I believe John was in that one, made it there and back. He had 30 minutes to get there, get dumped before they shut down. So yeah, that we'll find out in a little bit if we get a phone call. We gotta go pick him up. But we'll get the one that's sitting here full. It'll be full here in a little bit. Just put this bin load and a little bit on another bin load, basically. That'll be full. I don't believe we're gonna be able to. Oh man, warm. It's getting warm. That feels good. Whew. Oh, that feels much better. I don't think we're gonna be able to finish everything tonight. We'll probably be able to get it finished tomorrow. We will. I think we actually got a couple, probably 3 hours yet. But that's just because I'm going to take about, yeah, it takes about an hour, 40 minutes to an hour to go down and back. I think. It's taken a long time. You go stir crazy from this point to that point. I know you guys are probably thinking, man, all you do is complain about how slow you're going. Isn't slow a good thing? Yeah, slow is a great thing. I'm happy. I mean, it's doing a great job. Combine's doing a good job. Corn's good. It's slow. All right, we're back. We're gonna finish up. Yeah, it's cold this morning. I should have put the other sweater on still. But I think we only got one truckload left. Let's go get it done. the grain cart, tractor. I think we had a couple tires go flat or get a nail in them and go flat. Those weren't actually terrible. We got through those, so okay. But yeah. It was still a good harvest. It was a small harvest. I think a lot of people had a small harvest this year. And some may not even had a harvest, depending on if they had irrigated or they were all dry land and just in an area where it just didn't rain. Those very possible. Very possible. I'm thankful we had this. Look forward, kind of learned some things over the year. Different things I'm going to try next year. Different timings of fertilizing it, and I guess, yeah, that's probably a lot of it. Maybe a little bit different weed chemical, something, although this was pretty clean. But looks good, a lot of trash out there. We'll see, maybe we can get it fertilized here yet this fall. I don't know, that depends on the fertilizer prices. That stuff has been a little crazy. But it doesn't sound like it's going to get any better either. I don't know. We'll keep going. It does feel good to have this done though. It does feel real good. Actually, on days like today, feels like better, more weather to be picking corn in. Kind of cold, gloomy. It just seems better. But go up here, get this unloaded on the truck, and head the combine back into town. Park it. Wait for a warm day or a warmer day to clean it up. There goes Robert now with the tractor and little red grain cart. Probably unhook that grain cart real quick once we get it in town and bring the tractor back out and hook it up to the other grain cart so we can get it back into town. I don't really need no reason to keeping it out here for that amount of time. And what else? Get the trucks unloaded. Yeah, they can rain all at once. Rain, rain, rain. One pile in the front and one pile in the back, mainly because it won't all fit in the front. Well, I'd say it's wet out. Definitely good. I don't know what we've gotten so far, but I think we're somewhere probably around 10-15 points so far. That's good. I just kind of hope it just does this all day long. That'd be good. Alright, well, catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. See ya.